Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this dv that is about this one. So the integration of s squared with number 3, we have s to the power of 3. This one we have 2s squared. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the integration from number 1 to number 2. So we have the u multiplied by v. So this one divided by s, we have s squared. The next one we have 2s. Next, I will put number 2 and number 1 go in here. So we have like this. So we calculate this one, and we have number 0. This one we have number 0. So this one you got number 0. Now the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one that is about s squared. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.